Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to change the vent on your dishwasher. I'm not going to edit this, so you'll be able to see in real time how long this takes. One thing I did was I took out the screws that hold the dishwasher in place. I did that ahead of time. So, let's remove the dishwasher. Now I'm going to unplug it. And this is our vent. So, I'm going to reach inside. And with a quarter turn, that nut comes off the back side. And your vent will pull out. So, now we need to disconnect the wires from it. So we'll open that up. We'll unplug it. Now, when we get a vent open error, what happens is, under our fan, we have a little switch here on that board that hangs up, or the switch goes bad. Now I've taken this apart and I've tried to clean it, but that didn't fix it. Sometimes that will fix it. So I tried, didn't work, so I ordered a new one. So here we have the new one. And you can see the new one is just a little bit smaller, but that doesn't matter. So we'll plug in the new one. Set that down in the hole. And the new one, we did not need to take the screws off to get to the plug-in. There. It's just a quarter turn. That's now locked in place. Now we can slide our dishwasher back in. And we'll plug it back in. There. We're done. So now I'll cycle the dishwasher and make sure everything's working.